In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid Telegram channel. This is perfect if you want to monetize your content, offer exclusive access to premium members, or build a subscription-based community. By setting up a private channel, you'll have full control over who can access your content, and you can manage payments through your preferred method. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on mobile or desktop, but for this tutorial, I'll walk you through the mobile version since it's the most common. Once Telegram is open, tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will open the main navigation menu. From this menu, tap on New Channel. This is where you'll begin setting up your paid Telegram channel. You'll now see a screen asking you to enter your channel details. In the channel name field, type the name you want for your paid channel. Make it clear and professional since this is what potential subscribers will see first. Next, move to the description field and write a brief description of what your channel offers. This is your chance to explain the value you're providing, what kind of content members will get, and why they should subscribe. Be clear and compelling to attract the right audience. Once you've filled in both fields, tap the checkmark or next button to finish creating the channel. Your channel is now created, but we still need to configure it for paid access. Open the channel you just created by tapping on it from your channel list. Once inside, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the channel information page. Now, tap on Edit or Manage Channel, depending on your version of Telegram. This opens the settings where you can control your channel's privacy and access. Scroll down until you find the channel type section and tap on it. Here, you'll see two options, public and private. To create a paid channel, select private channel. This ensures that only people you invite or approve can join your channel. It's the essential setting for controlling who has access and managing your paid memberships. After selecting private, tap Save to apply the changes. Your Telegram channel is now set to private and ready to be monetized. From here, you can share invite links with paying customers, use payment platforms like Patreon, Gumroad, or PayPal to collect payments, and manually add subscribers once they've paid. You now have full control over your exclusive content, and that's it. You've successfully created a paid Telegram channel and configured it for private, paid access. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.